Today, we have a mouth-watering recipe that's not only delicious, but also fits perfectly into a keto and gluten-free lifestyle. We're going to show you how to make avocado stuffed with chicken salad. So, let's dive right in. Here are the ingredients you'll need: 2 ripe avocados, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil for drizzling, 1 cup of cooked chicken breast, shredded, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, make sure it's gluten-free, 1/4 cup each of diced celery, red onion, and cucumber, 1 tablespoon of fresh cilantro, chopped, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and, of course, more salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Let's prepare those avocados. Cut the avocados in half and remove the pits. Then, scoop out some of the flesh from each half to create a larger cavity for the chicken salad. Now, season the avocado halves with a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. This will bring out the amazing flavors. Moving on to the chicken salad, in a mixing bowl, combine the shredded chicken, mayonnaise, diced celery, diced red onion, diced cucumber, chopped cilantro, and lime juice. Mix everything together until it's well combined. And, of course, don't forget to season it with a pinch of salt and some freshly ground pepper. Now comes the fun part. It's time to fill those avocado halves with the delicious chicken salad mixture. Be generous and mount that salad on top. To finish it off, garnish with some extra cilantro and a drizzle of olive oil if you desire. And there you have it, your keto and gluten-free avocado stuffed with chicken salad is ready to be served. This recipe not only tastes amazing but also fits perfectly into a keto and gluten-free lifestyle. It provides healthy fats from avocados and protein from the chicken, making it a satisfying and nutritious option for those following a keto diet or looking for a gluten-free meal. So go ahead, dig in, and enjoy your flavorful, guilt-free meal. Thanks for joining us today on Hey Good Lookin', What You Got Cookin'. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow foodies. Until next time, happy cooking!